Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually running a little bit late to work, and then we're going to get started. I'm going to work on actually replacing my cabin filter. It needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and get to work, and hopefully we get to this by the end of the day. If not, I'm going to start on it tomorrow. Alright, everybody, for cold startup. What's going on, everybody? So apparently I waited another day. I was supposed to do, I guess, film on my way home. I was going to do that, but unfortunately it was raining. Once again, more rain even today. It's been raining for the last 3 days. That is crazy. But hopefully tomorrow, or if not tonight, I will start working on my cabin filter, which I really want to get started on it this soon. Really soon. But I mean, tomorrow I'm off, makes it a lot easier. So it might be another day. But other than that, unfortunately, with all this rain, delays, everything I had planned for, everything that I was gonna do, still the same. It's all because of the rain. It's been raining non-stop. I like the rain because you can sleep in, sleep really good. It feels good, but the sad part is it's been non-stop. So, alright guys, I will catch y'all when I make it up there to where I needed to go, which headed to Dallas once again. So, I did make my way to Dallas. I actually went to Autos on the ground, what I'm looking for. And so I grabbed my next pipe. My factory pipe versus the pipe I have is a little bit small, so I have to kind of it's already bolted on and everything, but I have to put something up there to keep it from, causing an exhaust leak. But it all still turns out, even after using this product, it worked. It really did until I hit a bump, the speed bump's a little bit high, and then I accidentally hit it, and then you can tell it hit my pipe. But I still love it. Overall, the ISR is still a good pipe, good test pipes. Now I'm gonna make my way to get some coffee and go get something to eat. I really don't like McDonald's, but hey, I'll have to go for the double cheeseburger. Alright, making our next stop to that place now. If I can get this level out. And here we are. Test pipes, he did tell me that I will really like the way it's going to turn out. So after he recommended it, he told me a lot of good things about the ISRs, encouraged me to go ahead and get the next pipe and go on with the ISR test pipes. I know there are more, but I think the quality overall is really good. Especially when I ordered them, they were out of stock for a while. Alright, we're here. So we're going to go ahead and start changing the cabin filter in the car. Hopefully this works out well. Pretty sure it's very easy, obviously, because it's right behind the glove department. Alright guys, let's get started. Let's get working on it. So no more delay in time. So. Okay. There we go. Came right out. So All right, so there are 7 screws in total. There's one from starting here, across going here. There's 2 on the bottom, here and here, and there's 1 right in the back. All right, so as you can see, whole thing popped right off, and your cabin filter, it's going to be right here, that little white little box. So all you have to do is there's like a little panel, just prop that right open. If I can pull it. Whoops, pulled a little too hard. So be careful to open this because you don't want to break it. That'd be a no-no. So here's the cabin filter. Let's go ahead and pull that right out. It looks all dirty. So as you can see, this is the old cabin filter. It's really nasty and dirty. It's like stuff. It looks really bad, like stuff right in there, right caked in between there. It looks really thick and ugh. So, and obviously here's the new one. So you want to make sure you order the right one or go to your local auto store. But here's the one I have right here. It looks a lot better. So all we gotta do is just go ahead and pop this right back in. Put all 7 of the screws in, 7 of the screws back in, and put up everything back together. So, all right. So this is everything. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back together. Which, wow, it is pretty dirty. Put that right back in there. This new one, and it should go in there right easy, like very easy. It should slide right back in there. And you want to angle that back in. There we go. So all that should pop right back in. And I did left the screw inside of the. Come right out. Oops. There we go. Oh, that's back in. So, what I would do to try to hold this in place is, let me angle this up a little bit. Go ahead and start putting the screws back in so it can stay up. So that's how you go about that. Everything's put back up. Of course, I have my wire kicked in there from my radar detector, but everything's put back in place. It was very easy. So yeah. All right, everybody. I hope this really helps for everybody. For anybody who's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and replacing the cabin filter was fairly easy. All you do is take out 7 screws, pull the whole thing down. Don't pull too hard because you will break it, but gently pull. But alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this. Please smack that like button. Let's get it up to 50 likes. Let's get it started. Start something small. Alright, until next time, like I said, I really hope y'all enjoy this. Leave a thumb up, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Until next time guys, peace.